This is a 1951 Mercury, and it's owned by Alan Morris up in Oceanside. And I'm very lucky because a lot of these cars I've been lucky enough to shoot, and he was very nice to bring this car out. This car is showcased on our SoCal Beaches magazine website, but the time we did the photo shoot, we were not shooting video, so I'm going to just take a quick walk around this car. This is one of my favorite cars I've ever shot. 1951 Merc, chop in the back. I believe it also has the grill of a 1950 Mercury.
Well, you get a whole lot of good things to eat. All good parts of the chicken once more is a sip. You can even get the last part and all the things.
We're at the Old Guys Rule car show, Mission Bay, Campland at the Bay. It's an annual show. This year they're expecting about 250 to 300 cars to show up. And this is where I get to meet a lot of the owners and reconnect with a lot of the cars that I've shot.
Let's have a ball. On all you cats, you can shower the attack with the party letting us down at the chicken shack.
I love the pinstriping on this car. We shot 2 swimsuit models down in Oceanside. And if anybody's seen the SoCal Beaches magazine website, this is our car that we've got featured on the cover of the home page and just about every other page on the site. The flames painted down the side. I just love this car. What can I say? I remember shooting this car. It's almost been 2 years, but all the detail went into this. Interior is in perfect shape. For more pictures of this car, you can go to our SoCal Beaches magazine website, www.socalbeachmag.net. There's so much shine coming off these cars. Again, this is a 1951 Mercury, owned by Alan Morris, Oceanside. Alan is a former Marine, and now he works up in Oceanside cutting hair for Marines. Again, for more pictures, go to our SoCal Beaches magazine website, www.socalbeachmag.net.